For my project to be complete, I need the Arduino UNO enclosure, and I have been working on the holder for the enclosure, 2 versions. Now, to give you a bit of an idea, this is the enclosure I normally design, and the holder is this black thing. In this instance, it holds the relay, okay? So that should be quite self-explanatory. In the first version, I'm using this little neat mechanism to prevent this from sliding out. Okay, I'm using this terminal block, whatever you call it nowadays, to organize everything, the power and the data A and B for the Modbus. All good so far. And since I'm obviously using components I can get already made, I don't have my own PCB board, this is how it has to be on the left side. On this side, this is just not too long for the power. I'm not going to change for the longer cable, so it is what it is. However, this can't be just dangling on the bottom of the enclosure, so designed version 2 with some enhancements, as you can tell. This is at the right height, so all the wiring is nice and loosey-goosey, nothing strained, which is what you want. And this has the lid, which is clamped down with these 2 screws and bolts, whatever, so it keeps it in place. All good here, the usual thing to slide out, yeah. And the USB cable, I think, will have to be permanently installed in the enclosure, because what if I want to update the real-time clock? I will have to open the entire enclosure, remove this entire holder, and then plug it to a computer and program it to update the time, for instance. And it'll be probably once in 3 months thing to do. So what I really want is to have the enclosure designed in a way when this cable is all the time in, I just come in, the cable is dangling in some sort of way, I'll tidy it up somehow, just plug in into the laptop, press send, sketch, upload, whatever, it does its thing, and I'm done. Okay, no need to fuss around with any of the screws, bolts, and take it apart. So, yeah. Oh, before I go, the thing here, this will be, I'll be using this idea already. The restraint is going to be implemented, and the same way I am providing power and the Modbus A and B is the same for here. So that will be quite neat, and that will be the last enclosure for now, I think, to keep the project happy so I can finally actually do some coding. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.